We are going through exercise 17b, and in this video we'll be answering question 5, which is saying to us, find the gradient of the tangent line to the graph of f at the given point. So let's begin by looking at our first question here. So the first thing that we're going to do is differentiate. And what are we going to find? We're going to find that we have 2x plus 3. Now, to find the gradient of the tangent line at the given point, I'm going to have to substitute in my x value of this coordinate into my derivative, which means we're going to find that we have 2 here plus 3, which is going to be 4 plus 3, which is going to be equal to 7. And just like that, we have found our first answer. Let's now scroll across here and do the same thing. So we're going to begin by finding our derivative. 2 times 3 is 6x minus 4. To now find the gradient of the tangent at this point, I sub in my x value into my derivative. And I might actually do this on this line. It's going to be 1, 6, 1 minus 4, which is equal to 6 minus 4, which is going to be equal to 2. And just like that, we have found our second answer. So let's now turn the page, or not turn the page, rather scroll down and answer our next one. So here, again, we're going to find our derivative, which is going to be negative 4x minus 4. To now find the gradient of the tangent at this point, I'm going to sub in this x value into my derivative. Which is going to be negative 12 minus 4, which is going to be negative 16. Get my highlighter, give that a highlight. Let's now come to our last one. Let's zoom in. So how are we going to answer this? First thing that we're going to do is find our derivative, which is going to be 3x squared minus 1. So I bring that to the front, reduce it by 1. Now to find what the gradient of the tangent at this point is going to be, I sub in my x value. So that means I'm going to get f dash 2 equals 3, 2 squared minus 1, which is going to be 3, 4 minus 1, which is going to be 12 minus 1, which is going to be 11. Let me now highlight that. That is my final answer. So that we are now done. Hopefully everything I went through in this video has made perfect sense to you. And if not, please find me and we can talk about it. But that is everything you need to know for question 5 of exercise 17b.